In today's video, I'm going to walk you through whether you can connect Exness to TradingView and what the real situation is as of now. A lot of traders search for this because they want to execute trades directly on TradingView while using their Exness account. But the truth is slightly different from what most people expect. So let's break it down clearly, step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Exness account. If you're brand new to Exness, simply click Create Account, follow the on-screen setup, verify your email, and you're ready to go. Next, log into TradingView. If this is your first time using it, click Sign Up and choose whichever method works for you. Google, Apple, email, LinkedIn, even social accounts like X, formerly Twitter. Once you're signed in, go to the main charting interface. Now, here's the big question traders always ask. Can you connect Exness to TradingView? To check, scroll to the bottom of your chart and click on the trading panel. This is where TradingView lists all brokers that support direct trading from the chart. You'll see well-known partners like Pepperstone, FXCM, Oanda, and other region-supported brokers. But if you scroll slowly through the entire list, you'll notice something important. Exness is not there. As of this recording, TradingView does not support direct integration with Exness, meaning you cannot log in with your Exness credentials and place trades inside TradingView. So what's the workaround? Even though Exness itself cannot be connected to TradingView's trading panel, you still have a very solid alternative, the Exness Terminal. If you've never used it, the Exness web terminal actually mirrors many of the TradingView-style charting features. Clean interface, indicators, drawing tools, watch lists, and a simplified trading workflow. Once you log in, you can trade directly from the chart, view price movements with modern UI tools, discover strategies, use social trading, become a strategy provider and earn commissions, manage positions in a clean TradingView-like environment. So while Exness cannot be integrated inside TradingView, the Exness Terminal delivers a very similar trading experience, in some cases with even more features tailored for active Forex and CFD traders. To summarize, TradingView, trading panel, Exness does not appear, but you can trade on Exness efficiently by using the Exness Terminal, which functions very much like TradingView's interface. And that wraps up today's guide. If TradingView ever adds official Exness integration in the future, I'll make an updated video for you. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.